Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha. Today I told you about trending nails designs and much more. Trending nail art design for women cute trending nails 2023 attractive nails design. Are you tired of the same old boring nails polish color? Do you want to spice up your look and express your creativity through your nails? Then you are in lucky because trendy nails are in the perfect solution in this article. We will explore the latest nail art trends, tips for achieving the perfect nail art, and some inspiration to get you started. Nail art is the practice of painting designs or pattern on nails, often using different colors, textures, and materials. It has become increasingly popular in recent years with new trends and techniques appearing all the time. One of the latest nail art trend in the using of negative space. This involves leaving some area of the nail unpainted to create a minimalist yet high look. Another trend is the use of geometric shapes such as triangles, diamonds, and squares to create bold and modern designs. Metallic nails are also in fashion with gold, silver, and rose being popular choices. The key of achievement, the perfect nail art is preparation. Start by trimming and filling your nails to the desired shape and length. Apply a base coat to protect your nails and ensure your nails polish adheres properly. Then use a thin brush or a toothpick to paint your design using standing and control movements. Once your design is complete, apply a top coat to seal and protect your nail art. These are endless
Hey guys, for more updating to subscribe my channel and support my channel to click icon button to more trading videos for you. Then use a thin brush or a toothpick to paint your design using steady and controlled movements. Once your design is complete, apply a top coat to seal and protect your nail art. There, and, there are endless possibilities when it comes to nail art, so let your creativity fun wild. Here are some ideas to inspire you. Trending nail art is a fun and creative way to express yourself and add some personality to your look with the latest trends, tips for achieving the perfect nail art, and inspiration to get you started. You will be a nail art pro in no time. So go ahead and experiment with different designs, colors, and techniques and show off your trending nail art to the world. Abstract nail art is all about letting your creativity run wild, from splatter paint to bold brush strokes. There are no rules with these strands. Use different colors and textures to create a unique design that's all your own. Foil essence are a fun way to add some shine to your nails. You can use foil sheets or nail foil glue to create a metallic finish. Trying adding a strip down the middle of your nail or covering the entire nail for a bold look. French tips are a timeless classic that never goes out of the style. But this year they are getting a modern twist. Instead of the traditional white tip, try adding some glitter or metallic essence. You can also experiment with different shapes like diamond or antelito. Antelito. Negative space nail art is also about playing with the space different between your nails. It's a minimalist trend that looks great with neutral tones and petals. Use nail tape to create clean lines and shapes and experiment with different patterns. Floral nail art is perfect for spring and summer, whether you option for dainty flowers or bold blooms. This trend is sure to brighten up your day. Use a small brush to create petals and leaves, and finish with a clear top coat to protect your design. Trending nail art is a fun and creative way to express your individuality. Either you prefer bold and bright or subtle, there's a trend for everyone, so why not trying something new and give your nails the attention they deserve? With these tips and techniques, you will be a nail art pro in no time. Thanks for watching.